How you doing? My name is TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So in this video, I'm about to tell you how to use the secret law of attraction to attract money, success, and wealth in your life, okay? At the end of this video, you will know, okay, just by watching this simple, short video, how to attract money, success, and wealth into your life. It's a very, very, very easy concept to grasp. But when you've been taught to think in lack, when you've been taught and programmed mentally all your life that you can't have something that's just like right there, then you don't know about how to go about going to get it, okay? So in this video, hopefully I'm gonna be able to revamp all that mental programming to get you to think back to your original self, your true divine nature, who you really are, your higher consciousness. See, most of the time, most people are always thinking in their lower consciousness, they lower self. They just walk around and say, well, I'll just take the lesser hand of the stick. Oh man, I don't deserve to have anything brand new. No, I'll just wear the clothes with the holes in them. You know, most people, they've been around people all their life, and for so long, the only thing they can always think about is just being less than average. You know what I mean? That was me once upon a time. Once upon a time, I thought it was cool to just always have less than average. You know, just to be always short of my own glory, of what I really thought I was not going to get, was always trying to come to me. You know, and I always wonder why, what was this voice that I was hearing in my head? Is like, TreniuS, you deserve better, you deserve better, you deserve better. You should be able to go places that you want to go whenever you want to go. You should be able to spend money whenever you want to spend it if you want something that you desire to have. And I'm just like, yo, why do I feel like this? But the whole time I've been thinking like this, okay? Folks, it's all about law of attraction. You gotta be able to always speak things into existence, like my boy Dante Wilder. You know, the boxer, the boxer that just boxed the other night. He won his fight in like 1 minute. How fast did he win? It was super quick. That's all I know. Because he's all about the law of attraction. Look up Dante Wilder. He's all about the law of attraction. He believes in speaking it, believe it, and receive it, folks. And that's one thing I learned on my journey. One thing I learned on my journey was, man, so I'm actually creating my reality based on the things that I say. Folks, everything that you say about yourself, all the opinions that you let people tell you of who you are. If you let somebody tell you an opinion about you that's not true, but you believe it anyway, that's what's gonna become your reality, because you're believing in something that somebody else told you. Everything that we see in our reality, folks, is created by our very own thinking of ourselves. Okay? However much money you got in your bank account right now is how much money you see in your bank account. That's how much you value yourself. See, before I actually started recording this video, I was saying I'm great, I'm wonderful, I'm gonna make a positive video today. I'm gonna smile when I get on the video today. I say, dang, TreniuS, you smell so good. I smell so good right now. Like, I love myself. And I don't love myself in like my egotistical, you know, way of thinking. No, I do not love myself in an egotistical way of thinking. All I'm just saying is I cherish myself. You know, I think that I'm valuable. I think that I'm more than enough. I think that whatever I speak into the universe will come to pass. All you have to do is keep speaking what you want. You know, a lot of people want microwave results, okay? You eat a full-course dinner that your wife makes you, right? It's the best dinner ever. But you eat a microwave dinner. You know, you eat a microwave dinner, it satisfies you for that moment, okay? So what I'm saying is, when you're using the secret law of attraction, you're not gonna see what you want like all of a sudden. It doesn't come like that. It doesn't happen like that. One thing I noticed on my journey was I had to keep speaking things. Just keep speaking it. Just keep speaking it. It's many times where I did not have what I wanted, man. And I was always like, yo, I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to bug out, man. I'm about to freaking go crazy right now. I'm not getting what I want. People are not seeing my vision. I am a millionaire. I am successful and I am rich. And it's funny because even right now, those people are not even with me. I'm just here with you. But I'm still speaking it. I'm still speaking it as time goes on. And guess what, baby? when you keep speaking things as time goes on, eventually the universe will start responding to what you're saying about yourself, to what you're saying that you're gonna do in the future. See, it's all about separating yourself from who you used to be. The person who you used to be is not really you. A lot of you all have spiritually awakened and just came on this spiritual journey. You know why? Because you finally gotten to a point where it's like, you know what? I know who I really am now. I know they did their best to try to teach me about who I am, but you spiritually awakened. You said to yourself, that's not really me. I know who I am. I'm more than enough. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm great. I'm victorious. I'm almighty. I'm wonderful. I'm beautiful. When you look in the mirror every single morning, you're supposed to look in the mirror and say, oh my God, I look good. I'm beautiful. You know, love yourself. Have a high self-value. But at the same time, that don't mean step on nobody's toes. That don't mean like make people feel smaller than you or make people feel lesser than you. When I go around people, man, I'm so confident. And I know a lot of people who don't understand what the law of attraction is all about. I know a lot of people who don't understand it. Of course, they're going to say, oh my God, he just thinks he's all of that. But see, if they knew the secret, they wouldn't have to think like that, because they could be able to attract anything into their life the same way me and you attract things into our life. But see, a lot of people don't know the secret. And so when they see you being great, when they see you being your true divine nature, when they see you being wonderful, when they hear you saying, I am a millionaire, speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment below and say, I am a millionaire. Speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment below and say, I am a millionaire. Matter of fact, give this video a thumbs up to confirm it to the universe, folks. But when people see you being wonderful, it's not common amongst the population. It's not common. A lot of people don't walk around like that because they worry about what somebody gonna say about them. Oh, hey, look at him. Look at her. Listen. She thinks she's really the baddest ever. She thinks she is really Megan the Stallion. Oh my God. But you know who you truly are. I know who I truly am. So folks, this is the secret of how you use the law of attraction to attract money, success, and wealth into your life. I guarantee you, if you begin to speak it, and then you begin to believe what you're speaking, you will receive it. Trust and believe, folks. I'm TreniuS Henderson. You tune into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Speak Let Your Voice Be Heard. If you have not got a session with me yet, oh my God, you are missing out. We have great conversations. All the REM team members out there, shouts out to all the REM team members. Yeah, you become a REM team member by going to my website and signing up. You become a REM team member by signing up on my website. Yeah, so get like everybody else that's a REM team member. Make sure you connect with me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon up there. That's me. Yep. Oh, and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos. All right, check out one of these 2 videos right here. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Speak it, believe it, receive it, folks.